If you're here, you might have heard about Gran Central, the new district at the very entrance of the historic town in Panama. Today, I'm going to do a brief overview so you know what is it and what's inside. But if you want an in-depth, then go to the videos that I'm going to link below. So what is it? It's a full district with 4 buildings and a hotel with all the infrastructure underground. So all the parking. So upstairs, you'll be car free. It's a whole collection of plazas and streets that joins all these buildings. Now, what can you get there? At this time, we have 2 buildings out, La Unión and La Central City Flats. Very different. So depending on what you're looking for, choose. So let's talk briefly about each one. And again, I'm going to link the description of my in-depth videos below. If you're looking for something residential, I always say your home. La Unión could be your answer. La Unión is residential monthly rentals or more. So it's not going to allow the so-called Airbnb, which today is defined as nightly rentals. La Unión creates a community of people for residents, longer term. And the amenities that it has are thought for longer term residents. There you can find 1 bedrooms, plaza views, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with lock-offs that will include parking, 3 bedrooms also with parking. And you will find amenities that are amazing. Elevators, but upstairs, a semi-Olympic pool, 25 meters swimming pool with 2 different pools next to it, gym, co-working, yoga area. The building has solar panels. So it is the star when it comes to amenities. And we're giving them to our longer residents, our longer rental residents. So monthly rentals, residential, La Unión. Now, if you're looking for a property that can be rented nightly, a short-term rental, I can offer you then La Central City Flats. One point about La Central City Flats, it's going to be professionally managed. Turnkey, professionally managed, which means it's not going to be available for you to manage it. This is an important difference. So if you're looking at Gran Central for a unit that you can do short-term rentals and you can manage, this is going to be managed by a company. La Central City Flats will offer you studios with kitchens, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, garden areas, rooftop with pool, restaurant, club, wellness areas. So it's essentially a hotel operation. It is not a timeshare. It is a condo hotel, fully licensed, as we call it in Panama, PH turístico. So there you go. You have 2 very different type of investments. One is more residential, flexible because you can rent 30 days or more. And the other one is short-term rental, fully managed, turnkey, everything ready, hassle-free ownership for you. So if you are interested in exploring any of these 2 properties, we'll have more videos below. And if you'd like to contact us, you know what to do.